In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 computer and get it working like new again. You might want to do this because you want to sell your computer or give it to someone else, or you might be having problems with your computer and you want to get it working properly again. So keep watching and find out how. Windows 10 has a built-in reset facility that will give your computer back a clean, pristine state. After you reset your computer, it will have none of the apps or programs that you currently have installed, but it will just have the basic apps that come with the Windows 10. It resets your setting, so everything like your desktop wallpaper, your list of printers, the amount of time it takes for your computer to go to sleep, to save the battery, all those settings goes back to the default setting. As for your data, you get to decide whether you want to keep your files like your documents, photos and videos, or if you want to delete everything and completely clean the computer. Just make sure you decide carefully, and I always recommend you back up anything important before you start a big operation like this. And if you are going to be passing your computer onto someone else or selling it, there's a really useful option that lets you securely erase your data so that no one can recover your data later on. Make sure you watch this video on to the end and you'll completely understand what you'll be doing before you start. If you are not sure, you might want to take your computer to an expert instead. And if you do want to keep any of your data, make sure you have backed it up to a separate place before you start. Also bear in mind that what you see on your screen might be different to what's on mine. Windows 10 is always being updated and features might move from one version to the next. So if something looks different on your screen, read it carefully and you should work out what to do. So let's get started. You'll need to close any program you have open so you're just looking at the desktop like this. Click on the Start menu and go to the Setting. Now click on Update and Security. On the left hand side, click on Recovery. Now this is what we want, reset this PC. So click Get Started. Now you need to choose whether you want to keep your files or remove them. I'm going to show you what happens if you keep your files, and I'll go through the other option later in this video. So I'm not gonna actually restore my computer because I don't need to, but I'll show you the process. So click Keep My Files. After an hour wait, you'll get a summary of what's about to happen. We're going to change settings back to the default. Keep your personal files and remove all apps and programs. If you're happy, go ahead, click Next, and then the Reset button. Now you just need to wait while your computer gets reset. You don't need to do anything. The computer will restart when it's needed, and it takes around 30 minutes to finish. So when the Windows is reset, it leaves you with your older user account and your files. Now let's take a look at the option where we reset Windows and delete everything. Click on the Start and go to the Setting. Now click on Update and Security. On the left, click on Recovery, and under Reset this PC, click Get Started. This time we're going to choose Remove Everything, and this is the part we need to read carefully. If we were to click Next, it would wipe the computer and make it work like new again. But if someone really knew what they were doing, they might be able to recover your files from hard drive. So you want to click Change Setting and turn on Data Eraser. As it says here, it will take a few more hours, but it's a much more secure way to reset your computer. Now click Confirm, and I'm going to click Next. Now read the summary really carefully because there is no going back from this. When you click Reset, is going to remove all your files and remove all the user accounts on this computer, remove all your settings, and remove all the apps and programs. If you are ready, click reset and wait. This can take a really long time, few hours probably. So this is how you reset your Windows 10 computer. Please let me know in the comments below how you got on. And if this video helped you, please give the thumbs up. And if you like to see more tutorials, hit the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.